Hi everybody, this is Ken Kreshka. I just wanted to show you Superman typing on a typewriter. So today, I want to talk to you a little bit about some purchases I've made regarding parts typewriters. I bought this one just for parts for my Portal-Write. It's a Remington Portable number 2. You know, the keys are goofed up on here and the ribbon threw out. Left side ribbon cover's broke. But I got it for a really good price, just as I have for some other ones, and this is how I've learned, is learn by doing. So it was a mess, and I bought it for parts. So let's take a little walk here. Oh, and the thing about that projector was I've used machine oil. I bought some machine oil, and I'll get to that in a minute. But these parts typewriters. So this one here, you know, it's a Smith Corona, like 1954. Somebody dropped it. It's a mess. Just a mess. This one here, really old. I bought it for parts for that silent one that I was fixing. But, you know, I started looking up the serial number on these things. And that's where this gets weird. So, this is that one that I showed you in the video. Not the video, but the eBay purchase. The places around here, the Goodwills and stuff, the St. Vincent de Paul's has a Remington they want $85 for, and it doesn't even have its case. There's nothing good around here price-wise if you're shopping the Goodwills and whatever, but I did fix one at a Goodwill for free in 2 minutes while I was there for them, so that was like my donation to the society. Anyways, this is that train wreck that I showed you in the picture. So it's actually a 1927 Remington Portable. I like the number 2s because it's a lot like my Portal-Write. And, you know, I decoded the VIN on it. Just like that Smith Corona over there. Turns out that this is goofy. By the typewriter database, numbers 100000 whatever to 101 6200 or 1931. So the first one's made like that, and that one over there happens to be number 1000106. There's only 105 before that. Now what I was using for parts just became something maybe I should look at a little differently than parts. That's my whole point here. So back to this. So, and these are some of the tools I've been using to straighten out those keys that were all over the place. They're not perfect yet, but that's not where I'm going with this. So this left side ribbon spool, I had to redo the drawband. Not a big deal. I did a video about how to do that in the past. In this case, I used the 40-pound braided line. It's not plastic, it's the cloth. Much better, much easier than the train wreck video I did a long time ago. It goes around this little wheel here. It's not a hard job to do. But that left side ribbon spool was not only upside down, but it was broken. About the machine oil. So I ordered this all-purpose Singer sewing machine brand machine oil. And when you get looking at the bottle here, let me get this in focus. From knitting machines, specially formulated lubricating, vacuum cleaners, household appliances, typewriters, right there. Perfect stuff. And this is what fixed my projectors, believe it or not, besides me fixing them using machine oil in them. So that was just awesome. That thing used to be noisy. But to get this ribbon spool fixed, this is where I wanted to wind up. Okay, so here I've put this together kind of, but I bought a bag of 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch sized washers. I wish I would have bought plain metal so I could solder that on, but I didn't. Did that even go in the camera? So they look like this, washers. And this is Hillman brand. They were at Farm and Fleet. And I took that ribbon spool and I put this washer up on the top where, because that guy had it on upside down, and these gears are what drive on that Remington, what drive the ribbon. So you got to have those or flat won't work. And I put that clip back in there, And now this is still very loose. I just set it on the top. Since I can't solder the galvanized metal, I tried, it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do here is, okay, so I got this washer. I Dremel tooled away the notch here so that that clip could sit in there and work. Okay, and I've pressed that top on there. So that Dremel tool just, make a notch there if you have to replace a cover on one of these. And then now what I'm going to do, since I couldn't solder it, is I stuck this in here. Not sure if she's going to come apart now. I stuck that in there. You have to keep these lined up for the ribbon there, for the clip. And that's something to do while you're trying to talk and hold it. But anyway, let's take this apart. There. So I had this half, and by dremeling that out, I could now allot for the clip. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a little super glue to hold it, and then I'm going to use my E6000, and then let it dry. But that's going to be my fix to recreate a missing half to a ribbon spool. So that's about it. Hope you guys learned something from this video today. It's just kind of a walkthrough, but have a good one. We'll see you later. Bye.